Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with meteorologist Caitlin Harvey.
Welcome back to Newswatch 12 midday. Right now, we're taking a bit of a wet look out over Medford from the People's Bank on Biddle Road. This live view is brought to us as part of our Newswatch 12 weather cam network. Right now, temperatures are still sitting a bit on the cool side, 56 degrees in Medford with pretty good visibility. Winds still calm, but those are expected to really amp up as we head throughout this afternoon. Now, right now, we're watching the front end of this front really start to move through. You can see that from this northwestern corner of Lake County, clear down into southwestern Siskiyou County. Still dealing with a few showers. These will become heavier as we head into this afternoon, with gusts really expected to pick up. So out the door today in the Rogue Valley, we'll continue to see more rain showers again. Some very heavy at times, and temperatures now struggling to make it out of the 60s with plenty of clouds. Along the coast, we'll only warm a couple degrees today, back only into the lower 60s, which is not far off from where we started this morning. And these gusts again up to 50 miles an hour, especially toward Port Orford. As we head into northern California, we're back into the low to mid 60s overwhelmingly. Still plenty of clouds. More rain and gusts up to 35 miles an hour. For the Klamath Basin, we're expecting most of this rain, again, the bulk to hold off until later this afternoon and tonight. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour. And I have to say, tonight's rain does look very heavy for the Klamath Basin. We'll show you that model here in just a minute. For those of us in the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous, we're into the 40s and 50s today. Some wintry mix up toward Crater Lake with none of it sticking. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. We're into the lower 60s today if we can break out of some of these clouds. It doesn't look very likely, though. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour with periods of heavy rain. So here's our latest forecast model, and here are a few changes from this morning. Seeing this system continue to work its way up over the Cascades into the Klamath Basin by 2 p.m. Again, here's some heavy rain moving into the Rogue Valley. Still heavy rain and maybe a thunderstorm or two out along the coast. But take a look at this. That drive home tonight. This is 6:45 as you're joining us for Newswatch 12 at 6. Heavy rain for northern Jackson County. Plenty of rain moving on into the Klamath Basin. But this is what I'm concerned with. You see these dark, bright reds. We're watching this move into the Klamath Basin, and I have to tell you, model by model, this hasn't changed much. So overnight tonight, midnight about, it looks getting very heavy rain into the Klamath Basin. As we wake up tomorrow morning with Newswatch 12 this morning, still tracking a few showers, scattered thunderstorms it looks to be on your Wednesday, all with plenty of rain expected again here in the next couple of days. Tonight we'll see those showers stick around with us, and here's a look at those new rainfall totals. Again, forecasting here just by tonight of a little less than 1/4 of an inch now in Medford, over an inch, approaching 1.5 inches for Brookings, and then as we head into your Wednesday, that jumps up to about 2.5 inches, possibly 3 for the coast. Still about an inch here in Medford and 1/2 inch in Klamath Falls. So these cooler temperatures and plenty of rainfall helping wildfire danger levels still drop to low as of yesterday, but still going to see that list of restrictions on our website, ktrv.com. Today, though, expecting windy conditions and rain along the coast, some expected to be heavy with the possibility of a thunderstorm or two. Chance of rain today for northern California with highs into the 60s, still staying wet and chilly as we head into your Wednesday. Klamath Basin into the 60s today, 50s tomorrow with that chance of thunderstorms. More gusty winds and wintry mix possible for elevations above 7,000 feet in the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous. And the Rogue Valley wet, a bit dreary and cool today with highs only into the 60s, Alicia.
Yes, and like you said and showed on the map there, really 6 o'clock tonight is when a lot of this hits the Rogue Valley. So that's just in time for everyone driving home. So make sure you're careful out there on the roads.
Definitely.
Thank you, Caitlin.